This is Todoroki Burst, and today we're gonna review of Super Hyperion 1A XC. It's a starter pack. It's a Super King set. It's a Super Hyperion one. Today we're gonna review of this bay. The owner is Hyuga. Dang, he looks like a Super Saiyan God anyway. So I just saw my package come here today. So I'm so hyped to see how this one made of. So let's turn it back. And let's check everything. So we got the chip of Hyperion. And the layer is Super. And we have 1A is the orange one. It's pretty neat. And we got Exceed. I never heard Exceed before. It's kind of okay, but now time to unbox this bay. First, much better here. Let's go right here, much better. Nope. Wait. How can I go unbox this? Oh wait. Found a hole. There we go. Wait. Let's get this thing here. Oof. Alright, sorry folks. There we go. Oof. There it is. The box. Okay. I'll put on one box. Yeah? Alright. Hold on, folks. Sorry folks, I'm back. Here's a pack of this. Stickers. And there he is. The full pack of Hyperion. So hyped for this. Man, look at that. There's Hyperion, 1A, and then Exceed. It's pretty intense. Alright. So let's check the driver first. Check it out. It's pretty unique for the driver. Look at that. It's kind of lit. It's like spinning like thing right here. You touch it, you could spin it, and it was like do balance anyway. So yeah. Alright, let's check the disc and then the layer. Well, let's try to do the layer first. Here we go, guys. Super Hyperion. Sick, huh? It's pretty sick. Okay. So, turn it, pull, and look! Here's a Hyperion chip. It's pretty sick, huh? I like this Hyperion chip. Okay, so let's turn back and turn and then it's lock in. It's pretty.
Okay, so what do you want to do?
So here's a layer of a 1A. It doesn't look sick or what?
We go to district?
It's pretty cool, unique, huh? I kind of like this, but it's just so heavy for this. It's just kind of heavy. Alright, so let's get the stickers out. Okay. Man, I can't believe I got Hyperion. Like my friend, it's kuno time. She requested it, and now she did. So shout out to her, and she's amazing. Like she's amazing, good at cosplaying, like me. And we met on the Level Expo of 2019. Yeah, it was fun, the convention. So I cosplay as Sora from Kingdom Hearts, and she's cosplay as Todoroki from My Hero Academia. All right, so I had to follow. So I need a light show. My apologies. Okay. This could be take for a minute.
Wait a minute.
Anyway. So apology there. Okay. Yeah, spin. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. It's kind of okay anyway, guys, because since the quarantine and nani about to be over, I can't wait for the next year's convention because I cosplay as Nagito Kamada from Danganronpa. It's pretty good anime. So I finished season 1. Now I need to finish season 2 and 3 because I need to really present and catch up to it. I need to catch up. Hey, time to do my put the stickers on. And see the miracle. Okay. Nope. Sorry, dudes. This takes a couple while to do some stickers. And the other side. Yeah, so tomorrow I think Heaven Pegasus will be here. Heaven Pegasus, because I ordered it. I ordered 2 Beyblades, so yeah, look at me, yay! Trying to put some stickers.
Captain, what did I forget to pick us up? About to forget.
And I don't know what's gonna happen. Dun, 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 dun.
It's okay.
Steven,
Alex.
you're not using the room because there's sound and I need to add the Prezi there.
Alright, this thing is trick. Any stickers? Hold on. There we go. Yep. Just good. Super Hyperion. Oof. There we go. All the stickers are set for Super Hyperion. So let's take the layer. Here you go, guys. Super Hyperion. To a exceed. Hold on. It works. Here you go, guys. Super Hyperion. It's pretty unique, huh? Tomorrow, I'm gonna do an unboxing on Heavy Pegasus at JT System. I hope you guys like this video. Shout out to my two good friends, the legendary heroes of old, and it's kuno time. And I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to me and my friends, my two friends. Shout out to these two guys.
Dad's here. Let's go.
Yeah, so anyway, guys, hope you like this video. So yeah. Bye.